Hi kids! Today we're making a real volcano!
A big one!
A big one! Let's go! First, let's build the volcano!
Let's make it big!
Yes! Let's make it look like a real mountain!
Yes!
Let's go! Hey! So much fun! Mateo, let's bring the dinosaurs!
Yes!
Go get them!
But we need more grass!
We need more grass? Okay, more grass and then dinosaurs! More grass! Ooh, it looks like a real mountain in the jungle! Mateo, go get the dinosaurs!
That's a dinosaur!
Dinosaurs! Let's put the dinosaurs! Sorry.
Whoa!
Ooh. Yeah. Now it's time for our science experiment!
Let's go! I'm ready!
I'm ready too! Let's start our experiment! I brought everything we need. First, we need baking soda. Ooh! Mateo, hold this. Put it inside. Ooh, baking soda. Now we need dish soap. Now we need a little bit of water. Now we have a red syrup. That's gonna be our lava. Pour it inside. Ooh. Now we mix. And now we pour it inside. Now we're gonna pour our vinegar inside. That's gonna create the explosion. Ready?
Yeah!
Let's go! Oh! Wow!
Okay, look at that!
It looks like a real volcano! Whoa! Let's put some more. Do you want to put inside? Put inside. Whoa! Look, Mateo! It looks like real lava!
We can play with the dinosaur now?
Yes, let's play with the dinosaurs! But before that, let's try closing the hole to create even a bigger explosion.
Things got a little bit messy, but it was worth it. Our next adventure is waiting for you in the Airplane Man channel. Click on the next video. See you there.